how to turn on or turn off split keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down. And from here, tap on General Management. Next, we go down and then tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After that, scroll down and then tap on Mode. Now, if you use your phone in landscape view, then you have the option to turn on split keyboard. So select split keyboard, or if you like to use the standard keyboard, simply select standard keyboard. So here, if I open up my text, you can see on my keyboard, if I turn this way, I have a standard keyboard. And if I want to use the split keyboard, okay, so we go into here and choose mode and split keyboard. So here on my split keyboard, this is what it looks like. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.